Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1959 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite. So super cute, cheeky little British sports car. Great styling. Old English white, red interior, black top, red tonneau cover, 4-speed, disc wheels, original 948cc engine, drum brakes all the way around. So this is a nicely unmolested, highly original Bugeye. Let's take a look at the mileage on this car. So it's showing a real 84,740 miles. We purchased this car locally in Southern California, and the seller notes that he bought it in Chicago from the family of the Chicago Bears football team. So really cool, interesting history here. He flew back there and drove the car home with his son. They drove it from Chicago to California, and recently he's just not using it that much, so the family decided to sell it. But wonderful original Bugeye, one repaint, one retrim, but just a largely original, lovely straight thing. Really good body on this car, but runs and drives really well. It's been in storage a little bit, so it's probably due for a little bit of a tune-up. And you can see me just belting around the streets here. You know, probably needs an ignition tune-up and just a little bit of a carburetor clean out, but you know, really good running, driving car. Could use shocks, or at least maybe just topping up with the oil in the shock absorbers. People realize that people don't realize that these shocks do need attention and servicing from time to time, and they need some topping up. So, but car drives well, shifts great. You know, just a largely original 80,000+ mile car. Paintwork on the car presents really well. Nice creamy Old English white. Couple little chips kind of around these door edges from people just getting in and out, but you know, a couple little more chips here, but just really tiny stuff, you know, really minimal chipping. On this side you can see just seatbelt marks just along the bottom, but you know, the overall look of the car from 10 feet is fantastic. You know, just driving this around town gets a ton of attention, but really good nose on the car. Chrome on the bumper is pretty good. On the grille, you can see this top portion, it is starting to get a little bit thin, but you know, I like these Lucas headlights. These are really cool. Those original lamps on the car. Disc-wheeled car with hubcaps, but you know, gapping can probably get adjusted a little bit better there. I was looking at the hinge arrangement, but you know, you can see wonderful fitting doors. Of course, these cars don't have a trunk. The factory didn't want to add expense to the sale price, so these cars were without trunks. But you know, looking back in there, there's a side curtain set, the top frame, red tonneau cover if you look in our still photos. So really, really attractive, you know, good overall driver condition. I would say it's probably a little bit better than driver condition. But yeah, checking out this windshield, definitely the original windshield, showing just some minimal use on the car. The gasket's getting a little bit hard around here. But let's move to the interior here. So wonderful original dashboard, never been restored, never been rewrapped. It's all the original vinyl there, with that original rare steering wheel. Car was trimmed nicely with new carpets, nice vinyl seats, 3-point seat belts for safety. Back here you can see this Hardura, all nicely trimmed out with a red tonneau cover. And like I said, good condition black soft top with side curtains. So all the weather equipment present. There's the passenger side. But yeah, wonderful little driving car. Just tons and tons of fun. I didn't get the Bugeye thing until a couple years ago, and now I know why people are just bonkers over these cute little cars, because they're just so much fun whipping them around the streets here. So yeah, let's take a look at this Bugeye's engine compartment. So here's the engine compartment on our Bugeye Sprite. You can see in here original Old English white car. There's just lots of white all over it. That is the original. There's the VIN number on the engine. So it's the original 948cc engine. The car is still fitted with its original drum brakes up front. Little downdraft Weber carb fitted. Looks like we've got a new master cylinder. Here is the VIN number, and 5L10443. But yeah, fire breathing dragon of that little 40 horsepower 948cc engine. Let me start it up. You're gonna be impressed here with this very willing, very nice and quiet, but really willing engine. So super healthy. Really good gearbox on the car. Does show some very slight synchromesh wear, but really nothing to mention, just because it's got that original mileage on the car. Yeah, but there it is. Really super little Bugeye. Floors on the car underneath, they have had some repairs in the past. But, you know, if it was my car, I wouldn't worry about it. They are strong and supportive. But yeah, there it is. 1959 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite Roadster. Old English white. Red trim. Matching red tonneau cover. Black top with side curtain set. 4-speed. Original disc wheels with hubcaps. Original drum brakes, original 948cc engine, 80,000 plus original miles. Great driver condition Bugeye here. Just in the condition you want it. Just perfectly approachable, presentable, drivable, lovely little thing. and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.